So affiliate marketing is a great way to go, especially right now that there's so much traffic and momentum on threads. Affiliate marketing is amazing. It's pretty much it's a no-brainer. Number 7, right now is the time to do it. You're on threads or you want to be on threads. Right now, you're an early adopter. So what I suggest is doing a lot of content marketing. Make TikToks about threads. Make reels about threads. Make that clickbait title or whatever you got to do about threads to drive more traffic to your brand. Don't put out misinformation. But if you're a content creator, a coach, or whatever you are, and you're already putting out content, now is the perfect time to create content related to threads because that's the wave right now. So